Hello, guys. My name is Maria Pablo, and my title is called A New Beginning. A little about me. I am from Kansas City, Missouri, 20 years old, majoring in kinesiology with an emphasis in occupational therapy. How I chose my major? Ever since I can remember, I wanted to be a nurse. Senior year in high school, I got my CNA. I came to UCM to get my degree in nursing. But then life happened. After my first year here at UCM, I realized that nursing was not it. I was confused and lost, didn't know what else I could do besides nursing. Nothing else interested me. I then started talking to my advisor, and she changed my whole life around. I started learning more about other majors that still help people without having to be a nurse. I then found occupational therapy, and ever since, my mind has not changed. I see myself doing this for a long run and loving it. As of right now, I'm currently working with an in-home care facility and it's opening lots of opportunities for me. Most of these patients have PTs and OTs that come to their houses. I get to see different types of treatments that these PTs and OTs do and get to interact with them. But the most important thing about this job is that I'm creating strong relationships with them and they will be able to help me when I need reference letters or recommendations. What's next? Well, after the school year is over, I will only need 60 more credit hours to finish. The plan after college is to apply for grad school. I want to specialize with kids. And after getting my occupational degree, I want to work in a hospital. When I was going through all the major changing, I learned a very good lesson, and it's that it's okay not to have everything together. And a quote that stuck by was that someday everything will make perfect sense. So for now, laugh at the confusion, smile through the tears, and keep reminding yourself that everything happens for a reason. Thank you guys for listening.